Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the issue when your Google Chrome browsing history has disappeared on Windows. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots stacked on top of each other, which is the Chrome menu icon. Go ahead and click on these three dots to open the main menu. This menu gives you access to all of Chrome's settings and features that will need to restore your browsing history functionality. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can control everything from your appearance preferences to privacy options. The settings interface is designed to be user-friendly, so navigating through it should be straightforward. Now, on the left side of the settings page, you'll see a vertical navigation menu with various options. Look for and click on Privacy and Security. This section is crucial because it controls how Chrome handles your data, including your browsing history and site information. By accessing this area, we're getting to the core of what might be preventing your history from being saved properly. Within the Privacy and Security section, you'll see several options listed. Click on Site Settings. This area manages how websites interact with your browser and what data they're allowed to store. It's an important section because improper configurations here can directly affect whether your browsing history is saved or not. Next, scroll down through the site settings until you find additional content settings and click on it. This submenu contains more advanced options that control specific types of data and how sites can use them. These settings are often overlooked but can have a significant impact on your browsing experience. In the additional content settings menu, look for on-device site data and click on it. This particular setting determines whether websites are permitted to save data locally on your computer. If this setting is disabled or incorrectly configured, it could be the reason why your browsing history isn't being stored properly. Now, here's the fix. You'll see a radio button option that says allow sites to save data on your device. Click on this radio button to enable it. By selecting this option, you're giving Chrome permission to store browsing data on your computer, which includes your history, cookies, and other site information. This is essential for maintaining a proper record of your browsing activity. And that's it. You've successfully configured Chrome to save your browsing history again. Your browser should now properly record and display your browsing history moving forward. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.